Today we're going to take a look at reports within Genesis. Your reports are under your Reports tab. You'll have a lot of reports here that you can dig down into. The HC Transaction Log Report has been moved to under the Production Reports. We're going to go into the Production Reports here. You'll have a lot of different reports for each line of business. You also can choose your date range or a custom date range. You can preview, print, or export your reports here. When you choose your report, it's going to give you the criteria that it's pulling that report from here. Then underneath that, you're going to have your report description. This report shows, and it's going to tell you what is going to be seen on that report. Over on the right, you have your recent reports. These are reports that you have been into recently. If you went into one that you really liked and you want to make that a favorite so you don't have to search for it later, you can do that. When you make it a favorite, you do have the option of setting up report email and frequency. So that means that that report will be emailed to you automatically at that frequency. Down here you can search for a report by a partial name. We're going to look at a report real quick. When you go into your reports and you see this blue link, anything blue means it's a drill down report. So if I click on this number 5, it's going to show me those 5 policies. The client and the policy number are both in blue. If I click the client's name, it's going to take me to the client main screen. If I click the policy number, then it's going to take me right to that policy within Genesis. That's it for reporting within Genesis. If you have any questions, be sure and ask them to your trainer. Thanks so much.